In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Add to Calendar link in Outlook email. We'll start by building the event, convert it to an iCalendar file, store it in a shareable location, and then place a clean Add to Calendar link right inside your message. Begin in Outlook, in the Calendar view. Select New Appointment on the Home tab. Add the subject, location, and the exact start and end times. Use the body to include key details attendees will need, and double-check the time zone and reminders if you use them. When you are satisfied, click Save and Close, so the appointment lives on your calendar. Next, find that appointment in your calendar and open it. On the Appointment tab, select the drop-down next to Forward and choose Forward as a calendar. Outlook creates a new email with a ICS file attached. That ICS file is what lets recipients add the event to their own calendars with a click. Now save the attachment to a place you can publicly share. In the new message, open the drop-down on the iCalendar attachment and choose Save As. Pick OneDrive, SharePoint, or another web location that can generate a shareable link. After it's saved, go to that location. Select the file, choose Share. Set the permissions so anyone with the link can view or download, and copy the link. This ensures recipients won't need to request access. With the link ready, compose the email that will go out to your audience. Type a short call to action like Add to Calendar. Highlight that text, go to Insert. Choose Link. Paste the ICS file URL into the address field and confirm. You now have a clean hyperlink instead of an attachment. Finish your message, add recipients, and send. When someone clicks the link, the ICS downloads and opens in their Calendar app, including Outlook, Apple Calendar, and Google Calendar. So they can review and save the event. If you later change the event, remember to update or replace the ICS file and refresh the link in your email or follow-up message. If you need to share an entire calendar instead of a single event, use Outlook on the web. Sign in, go to Calendar. Select Share at the top right, enter the recipient's email address, and choose a permission level such as Can View All Details. The recipient will receive an email inviting them to add your calendar to their view. Thanks for watching.